Runic inscriptions are found in the Scandinavian countries, that is Denmark, Norway and Sweden. In Denmark they have most of the oldest inscriptions, the pre-Viking ones from around 100 AD to 750. Sweden has most of the Viking Age inscriptions and mostly runestones, 2,500 of those, whereas Norway has most of the medieval inscriptions, about 1,400 of them. You would think that the most famous runestone in the world would be the Rök runestone in Östergötland in Sweden, but in fact it's not. It's an American runestone from Kensington, Minnesota. One would wonder why an American stone would be more famous than a great Swedish stone, and I think the answer there is controversy. There are so many more mysteries about a thing that you're not absolutely sure if it is authentic or not. I reviewed most of the literature written about the Kensington runestone, and it strikes me how partial and biased most of it is, not just by the proponents of the stone's medieval origin, but also from the critics. It seems that very few people are interested in finding out the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Science is not a personal thing. It's directed towards an issue and it strives to find out the truth. It works with certain methods and it reaches results in a certain way. Just the truth enough isn't enough, because you need to be able to show how you arrived at this truth so that others can follow the same path. The recognized manner to publish scientific facts would be through peer review process. That is, you would either submit your work to a journal, for example, that would then send out this research for review to other authorized scientists. Or you could just go ahead and publish it, but then you would have to seek the support of other scientists within the field who would publish that they believed and agreed with your findings and results. The Kensington runestone is a fascinating object with a history all of its own, full of controversy and interesting points to be made. There is a huge number of unanswered questions left to address, and among them we're going to find so many points of scientific interest that we just need to get into this as soon as possible.